Once again, today we are coming to check for the AC column. Okay, the last time we thought of the DC, that was the battery stuff. Today we are here for the AC. So what are the AC, and then what kind of volts can we test for when we talk of AC? Or okay, so the AC is accurate current. Okay, as I was saying the other day. So the AC here, when we want to test for AC, here is the AC session. So AC, this is their session. So when we want to test for AC, we have to regulate this to the AC side. So let's see, we have here V, which stands for volt. Okay, and then the type of volt we are testing for AC. Okay, so AC volt. Okay, so here is our 2 pins we have here. So we are going to be slotting this into our socket. Don't forget that we don't place it here whilst testing for AC, because this DC requires a small volt, not high volt like AC. DC is not up to it's not higher like AC. So when you are testing for AC, you need to place it here, AC green column. Okay, now let's go and test for AC. So I have a socket here, a whole 2-hole shockable one, like current which can easily shock you. So let's just place it inside and then on it. Let's turn it on first. Bring it so that you can see what on it. Switch it on. So I'll be slotting it inside. Okay, oops, I don't see anything that much. Okay, let's switch it here and see. Yeah, we can see what we have. All the time AC is very scary, unlike it's not showing. I need to be here. You shouldn't go to the white this socket. Okay, so here is the volt is giving me 2627, like kind of volt. When we take it off, it go back to 0. So it's giving me that kind of volt. But when it's daily like this, people do use the light, so I don't know. So that's for the AC column. Okay, when we are testing for AC, that's what we call AC. Okay, so keep it in mind. Don't forget to place it here. Okay, check for this kind of symbol on your meter when you are ready to test for anything like this. Put it here, then check the volt, and then to see, this can easily help you to check whether your socket is working or not. Okay, so that's for today. Or check anything that is working, maybe your charger, I don't know. That's for today. The next time we'll be checking continuity, okay, to see whether your rope or anything you want to is breaking, or but is it working at all. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and then follow for more. Okay, here is Nokia the tech guard. You are watching Nokia is the tech guard. So like, share, follow for more, and then see you next time. I get your back covered. Whether you are watching from the US, diaspora, anywhere, stay connected. Then see you next time.